Here we will discuss about what is Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series is a sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding one starting from 0 and 1. The Fibonacci series is 0 and 1. It will start from 0 and 1, and then after we will add 0 plus 1 1, and then 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 13. Similarly 8 plus 13 21, and so on. I'm here write a program to get Fibonacci series up to 21 numbers. So Fibonacci series, it will start from 0 and 1, and after 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, and so on. So here we have a equal to 0, a equal to 0, b equal to 1. We just give a name here. That I will type here print a and print b. Very easy. So after that we will give a range here for I in range from 2 to 9. Where is 2 to 9? It will start from 2. So here 0 1 and then 2. It will start from 2 to 9. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after that I will type here c equal to a plus b, because to add these two numbers a plus b, this is why I have type here c equal to a plus b, and after that and b equal to c, and then type here print c. When I run 21 0 1 1 and 21, type here a equal to 0, and then b equal to 1, and then type here print a, and then type here print b, and then we will give a range here for I in range 2 to, it will start from 2 to 8. So here I will type here 9. C equal to a plus b, and then type here a equal to b, and then b equal to c, and after that I will type here print c. So when I will hit the run code, I got the answers 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21. Here we have another example. Write a program series up to 144 numbers. So by using input, give a input value equal to int input, parenthesis inside double quotation marks, enter a number here, colon, and then if n equal to 1, series, the same method we have applied here, a equal to 0, b equal to 1, and print a, print b, and for here we have create a range here for I in range 2 comma n, because here we have type here print n, and c equal to same, a plus b, a equal to b, b equal to c, and print c. So here we have a Fibonacci series 0 1 1 2 to 144. So let's do it. So here I will type here n equal to, first I will type here n equal to int, and then type here input, inside double quotation marks enter a number, and then colon, and then type here if n equal 1, colon, type here print n, and then else, colon, and then type here concepts here, a equal to 0, b equal to 1, and then type here print a, and then type here print b, and then type here for I in range 2 comma n, colon, and then type here c equal to A plus B, and then A equal to B, and then B equal to C, and then type here print C. When I will click on, so when I click the run code, I got the message here, enter a number here. So I will type here 13 and then press enter, and then here we have Fibonacci series from 0 to 144. So here we have. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video.